Ah, home sweet home. Oh, hi, person number 6. How's it going?
Just kidding, it's me, MPS.
Yes.
Get out of here.
Oh shit! I forgot I have to. 1, 2, 3. Nice. That's me. It's me, Mr. MP 2002. Oh. Almost forgot that. Whatever. I'll just hold it. That's okay. Hey, what's up, bro?
Oh, shit.
Guess what, dog? I just won the title. Piece of garbage mask. You got a ball.
Okay.
Okay. All right. No worries. And.
If I make this, you win the champ. All right.
Okay. Let's do it. Yeah. You want to just.
There we go. 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
All right. Congrats, brother. Thank you.
I'll just
Throw that on.
just stay down here.
That's good to be back. Bruno, I'm coming for your record, bro. I know you beat me before. What was it, 100 some days? Whatever it was. I'm coming back for it. Just know that.
It's over, man.
Yeah, I know.
1, 2, 3. This is mine. I've never had it before, but I'm pretty pumped. It's been a rough day, though. I'm gonna go lay down. Whew. All right, Titan did get some really good shut-eye here. Where's Thomas Wooden Railway? 1, 2, 3. Taking that for safekeeping. Once again, the king is champion. Although I'm rather parched, I need something to drink to quench my kingly thirst. Perhaps I have some hot glass in here. Let's see, milk, Mountain Dew. Oh!
1, 2, 3. My name is Henry, and I'm the new community champion. Oh yeah. Whoa.
You've got the title.
Yeah, I do.
got the
Yeah,
title.
isn't it cool? I like it.
to do this.
Cool. Yeah.
1, 2, 3. I hate to do this, man. I hate to do this, but I need the materials. I mean, do you know how many axles you can make out of this stuff? You know, like 7 maybe? All right, nice. Very, very nice. I am liking it. I'm loving it. I'm the champion. Imagine that. You know, usually somebody comes and like attacks me after I do this. Oh, Jesus Christ! Oh! No!
1, 2, 3. I'm not even in the community anymore, but I'm the champ. I'm the champ. I'm the champ. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Finally, I'm the champ. All these old users, they can't beat me. Oh! Let's go, baby. Maybe this rain will last more than 20 seconds. Dude, that is tight. So this is the second time champ. Not so fast, Miles. No! 1, 2, 3, yes. No cheeky title victory for you. No, I think it's time I go to sleep. Celebrate my title. Sleep with the fishes. I don't know. 1, 2, 3. That's what we like to see. Where's this title at? We'll take this.
Title's mine. It's pretty good having the title. I like the, whoa, Bruno, what are you?
You got shit. 1, 2, 3.
This was mine. I got this when I was president. Truth be told, I don't really want it again, but something just felt empty from my life. I was thinking for so long maybe I could be just a one-time champion and broke the world record for the first, well, what's the word I'm looking for here? Community member with the longest reign as a one-time champion. I thought that was pretty cool, but you know what? I'll keep it. Something was missing from my life, and it wasn't the lack of anything. Ah!
Oh!
1, 2, 3. Roberto, this is for last year. This is for taking the presidency away from me, baby. Oh, I got Roberto. He's terrible. Oh my goodness. Percy number 6 times. No, no.
1, 2, 3. No way.
I defeated Percy number 6. I thought something so achievable could never be achieved. Thank you everybody for all the supporters, especially my boy Sebastian from down the street. Thank you so much for all the support. It's about time for some change in the community. And bow down to your new TWRC president and champion.